Hi friends, in today's tutorial we would study how to create this beautiful Mahabharata war graph in Microsoft Excel. So let me show you how you can create the graph. First highlight the data this way. After that click on insert and in insert select column or bar chart. Click on this flyout and from here you select the 2D bar 100% stacked bar. Click on that. Now the bar comes here. Now let us begin the formatting. So I'll take it a bit to the side this way, or let's take it to this side so that you can compare it together. So I'll take it like this to this side. So the first thing which you'll notice is that the order is reversed. So click on the graph representing the orders, right click on it and select format axis. And over here, select categories in reverse order. So the categories come proper. Next, we will remove these headings. So we select these headings and we delete it. Then we take the legends and take it on the top right corner. Then we click on the chart title and bring it to the top left corner like this. Then we increase the chart size this. Now we want to change the fill color. So we click on we want to also delete the grid line. So select the grid line and delete the grid line. Now to change the fill color, select the bar representing the Kauravas, the blue one, and select fill. And in this color over here, you select the color as orange. Then click on the graph representing Pandavas, select fill, select color, and select the purple color. Now we want to also add data labels to this. So right click on the graph and select add data labels. So click on the graph and you have the data labels added over here. Now the color of the data labels, so change the to home and change the text color to white. Same way select Kauravas, right click, add data labels, select the data labels and change the text color to white, make it bold. Also for the Pandavas, make it bold. Now we want to do the alignment. So right click and select format data labels and select inside end. Same way you select for Kauravas and select inside base. So they come over here. Now we want to add the labels in this format. So what we'll do, we'll first select these labels and we delete them. After that, we click on insert and in insert, we click on this text layout and select text box. Then we'll draw a text box like this. Ensure that the text box is selected and then you click on the first option, that is chariots. So this is very important that your graph should be selected this way. Okay, let's just make some space. Let the graph get selected, then click on insert, then click on text and select text box and draw one text box like this. Ensure that the text box is selected. Click in the formula bar, select equal to and click on chariot. Then press enter and you'll see chariots coming over here. Now press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and paste it down. Again Ctrl V and paste this down. Again Ctrl V and paste this down. Now click on the second text box, then click on equal to, and then come here and change it to elephants. Press enter. Then click on the next text box, click on equal to, and click on horses. Press enter. Click on the last text box, type equal to, click on foot soldiers, press enter, and increase the length so that you can accommodate the foot soldiers. Now align them. So select the text boxes this way, and then click on shape format, click on align, and select align left. Now we have to format the chart title. So select the chart title and type over there. So we'll just type over there as Mahabharata War Army Size. Then we'll take this a bit to the left and we'll make it bold and increase the size. Now we want to give a border to our graph. To select the graph, right click and format the chart area. Select border, select solid line, change the color to black and change the width to, let's say, 1 point. Click outside and your graph is now ready. So friends, in this video, we have seen how to make a unique kind of graph which represents the data beautifully in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next tutorial. Till that time, goodbye.